Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the image embed element in HTML. To get started, what I have done, I have downloaded three images, image 1, image 2, and image 3 from a popular free images website, basically copyright free images website, which is called pexels.com. Okay, this is the web page or the website. Okay, here I have just searched for something like landscape and scenery and something like that, and I have downloaded these three images from here. So if you want to download some of these images, you can just go to pexels.com and you can download the images from here. Okay, so now let's learn about the image embed element. So the image HTML element embeds an image into the document. Okay, basically whenever we want to display an image inside of our web page, we can use the image element in HTML to display the image inside of our document. Okay, as you can see, we are having the img element, basically the img tags. Okay, and here we can add a source and the alt attribute. Okay, we will discuss about the alt attribute in the next video. For right now, we will be only discussing about the source attribute. Okay, so we are having the image element and then we can specify the source, basically what exactly the image, like the path of the image which we want to display in our browser. Okay, and with the help of CSS we can basically change the height and the width of the image as well, but I will show another attribute to just change the width of the image here. Okay, all right, so what I can do, I can just go to here inside of my web page. Basically nothing is there. So what I'll do, I'll just get rid of this one, and here I will create the image element. So img and hit enter. Emit will autocomplete that, and here I will get rid of the alt attribute for now. And here what I'll do, I'll just add the source of the image. So to indicate the current directory or the current folder, what we have to do, we have to do /, and then we can go to images. Okay, and slash, and then as you can see, VS Code is auto completing here. So image1.jpg. Okay, all right, hit save. So now if I just go to the browser, as you can see, a long image is now being shown up here. We have to scroll down to see the whole image. Why is that? Because my image 1, which is this one, is a very large image. As you can see, the dimensions of this image is 6070 times 3414, and this is a very large image. To just shrink it down a little bit, what I can do, I can just add the width attribute here, and equals to, I can add a number. So let's do 400 and hit save. And if we do that, as you can see, here is our image. Okay, which is awesome. All right, now for example, this link gets corrupted, then what will happen? So if I just do something like image 1 and then just add a 1.jpg, then what will happen? So this will happen. As you can see, we are getting the image broken icon inside of the browser. Okay, all right, so let's not do that. Then what I can do, I can just copy paste this one more time and do something like image 2. Okay, and then I can do the same thing once again. I can do something like image 3. Okay, and one thing to point out here is that the image element is a self-closing element. I can just get rid of this one as well, but what will happen, VS Code will automatically add that. Basically Prettier will automatically add that for me, and I like that. So the image element is a self-closing element. Okay, we do not close the element like something like this one. So not this one, but we do not do something like img or something like that. Okay, and as you can see, what is happened is that my body tags have messed up a little bit. So what I'll do, I'll just get rid of this one, and I will just get rid of this one as well and do body. Okay, and I will just get rid of this one as well. So VS Code is not happy with me closing up the image element. Okay, all right, so as you can see, we are having all of these images here. which is awesome. Okay. Now, one more thing which you might be thinking like, hey, what if I do not have the image which I want to show inside of my browser? Okay, I have a link for the image. So how I can show that image inside of my browser? We can show the image by simply putting up the link inside of the source attribute here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go here inside of the pixels.com, and for example, let me just pick up this one. So this image, so I will right click here, and as you can see, I can just copy image link. So I have copied, and yes, thank you to pixels, so that I can use the image here. Okay, all right. And here what I'll do, I'll just do something like img once again, and I will paste the link which I just copied. Okay, all right. So as you can see, we are having the online link for an image, and for the alt, I will not add anything right now. Okay, all right. So if I just do that, as you can see, this is the taxis images, like the road. Okay, so as you can see, at the end, we are having this massive image once again. So what we have to do, we can just add the width attribute once again, width to something like 400. We also have the height attribute as well inside of the image element, but we are not setting that one because we want to automatically set the height of the image depending on the width of the image. Okay, all right. So as you can see, we are having this awesome image here, and this is online hosted. Okay, we are not having the local image, but for me, basically, I always prefer to download the image and serve that image from local folders. Why is that? Because in the near future, what can happen, this link can change or this link can be broken as well. If that happens, then our image can change or our image can broken inside of our HTML page, which we do not want. So what I usually do, I just download the image, put it down inside of the images folder or some other folder basically, and then serve it from here based on the relative path of that particular image. Okay, all right. So this is the image element in HTML.